Well, we have arrived in central Vietnam for our 3 month stay. We flew into Da Nang International Airport and headed to the pretty beachside village of Am Bang, just outside the UNESCO heritage town of Hoi An. In this video, we will break down the e-visa process required to enter the country, taking you through the official government online process and associated costs with it. In planning to revisit our favourite beachside town of Vietnam, we have a checklist for each country, which includes visas. And for Vietnam, most passport holders are required to apply for an e visa prior to arrival. Make sure you apply at least 2 weeks prior to departure. There are third party visa operators online, and we paid more for their service on our first visit to Vietnam. Since then, we have used the official Vietnam government website and found it efficient and easy to navigate. We have included the link in the description below. In the taskbar at the top, go to language and then set as required. If you navigate to facts, all the info is there to make the process easy. And if you have any questions, type these into the search bar. As someone with two middle names, make sure you list both on your application. It must match your passport. Do not make the mistake of assuming you can extend your visa whilst in the country. You must leave and reapply to re enter. Do a border run as it is known. Please note, if like us, you are going to stay in several accommodations, just give the address of the first place you stay, and thereafter the accommodations will record your passport details, which are passed on to the relevant authorities. There are full instructions as to what is required to complete your application, so you can get organised before starting. Through the photo requirements, make sure you upload a current photo no more than 6 months old. If you go to an approved passport photo agent, they will set the sizes to the required format for Vietnam and then email them to you. You can take them yourselves, but make sure everything is edited to the correct format if you are confident to do so. You then need to upload a photo of your passport. Then the system will match both images and give you a percentage match. Do not be concerned if the match is not 100%. As last time Tracy had a match of 70% because her passport was 9 years old. And surprisingly enough, she had aged a little and still was accepted. Check all the information thoroughly by two parties as you pay each time you apply. The standard cost is $25 per person for single entry or $50 per person for multiple entry. If you think there is any chance you may enter another country on a tour, like the Mekong cruise, please apply for multiple entry to cover your bases, as you will be denied re entry back into Vietnam. You first receive an email confirming payment, which gives you an e-visa code. With this code, you can then search for updates on the visa confirmation process. Processing time is usually 3 to 5 days, and everything you need to know is in the website, so you understand your rights and obligations. Go to the taskbar and then hit search to check the status of your application. Enter your e-visa app number, your email address, and then your date of birth. Then the correct security code to prove you're not a robot. Then hit search. When you are gathering your information to apply, you will need to provide an entry gate, whether arriving by air, land, or sea. Approved entry sites can be found by clicking on e-visa, foreign individuals, and then scroll down to find the relevant border gates. Be aware that border gates don't necessarily match the name of the city you are entering, especially the airports. So it pays to Google the airport name of the city you are looking to enter by. For example, Hanoi Airport is Noi Bai International. best to create a login, especially if you're looking at returning to Vietnam at a later date to help speed up the process next time. Unlike some countries' websites, they have created an online contact if any issues arise with your application. Just follow the form and it gives you different inquiry types and the ability to upload any relevant files to facilitate the process. So once you've gathered all your information, it is an easy 3-step process to complete your application and get ready to head to amazing Vietnam. If you want the comfort of further information, there are comprehensive notes on the website. It is really important that you check to see if your country has an exemption for the e-visa. For example, there is a 45-day exemption for passport holders from several countries, such as the UK, Germany, France, and Spain. Also, some other countries have exemptions of various durations, such as Malaysia, Thailand, and Cambodia. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to enable us to make more informative content. In our next video, we will give you our first impressions of one of our favourite places, Ambang Beach Village, just outside Hoi An. We will show you our accommodation, how we found it, and why we love staying here so much.